7 new cities are rising in Africa, built by Rendeva, the largest new city developer on the continent. Schools, homes, manufacturing, logistics and infrastructure, roads, water and power. Billions of dollars of inclusive investment, catalyzing economic growth, creating jobs and supporting communities. Now Rendeva, in partnership with the Lagos State government, is building a new city in Nigeria, Alaro City, close to the economic pulse of Lagos, on 2,000 hectares in Ikeja, in the Lekki Free Zone, the gateway to Nigeria and West Africa. Alaro City is directly on the Lekki-Ikeja Expressway, adjacent to the new Lagos International Airport and West Africa's largest deep sea port, nearby major Nigerian and multinational companies. Alaro City is for businesses of all sizes and people of all incomes, a controlled development for industrial and logistics companies, and homes, schools, hospitals and parks. A symbol of coexistence, community and continuity in Nigeria that upon completion will have created 200,000 jobs. An economic miracle already witnessed at Rendeva's cities across Africa. Sustainable developments where businesses thrive and homes are built by the thousands. Now coming to Lagos as part of a lasting partnership to build Nigeria's future.